The fourth product on our list is the DJI Mini SE. The DJI Mini SE is a camera drone with a 3-axis gimbal and is a great drone for people who want to learn how to fly a drone, and also great for those who want to take pictures and videos from the air. It's small enough that you can fit it in your bag or backpack, so you can bring it with you anywhere. It has all the features of a professional drone like automatic takeoff and landing, and this drone is light enough that it won't cause too much damage if it hits walls or furniture while flying around a house. It's very stable in the air, so you don't have to worry about crashing into things when you're learning how to fly it around your house or yard. The camera on this drone is really impressive as it takes high-definition photos and videos, and can record video footage in 1080 pixels at 60 frames per second. That high frame rate means that your videos will be smooth and clear even when they're played back at 30 frames per second. You'll also get 30 minutes of flying time off one battery charge, which means that you can get plenty of video footage shot before having to recharge. It can take off, land, and hover in place automatically and has GPS and GLONASS positioning. It has an altitude hold function, so you can focus on taking photos while your drone holds its position. The drone comes with a remote controller, propellers, battery, micro SD card and reader, USB cable and power cable. The DJI Go app allows you to see what your camera sees in real time on your mobile device screen as you fly the drone. You can capture photos or videos and save them to your phone for later editing or sharing. You can even use your phone's microphone to record audio from the air. The drone has a flight time of about 18 minutes and is great for people who want to get awesome shots of themselves or their friends while they're flying the drone. Still haven't seen a drone that you're interested in? That's okay, keep watching because we have more coming up. Also, we have an additional list of 10 drones in the description box below that you may want to check out as well. If this is the first time you're visiting our channel, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll know when we release our next video. Now, let's continue.